Hey folks, it's the Blind Guy here coming at you with another product review. And so far, I believe we have Boost and Gatorade's Super Shake are at the top right now. After thinking about the Gatorade review a bit more, I do think Boost still tastes a little bit better, but Gatorade, because of the price and the amount you get, it's still up there. So definitely check those out. And I've got a new one for you today. This is Muscle Milk. And this comes in a fairly large container, 12 ounces. And it has 40 grams of protein, so it's up there in protein. Only 1 gram of sugar. So this actually content-wise, and it's got 18 nutrients, similar to Slim Fast, 18 vitamins. So Slim Fast only had 1 gram of sugar as well. So this is similar. It's got 220 calories. So a little bit higher than Slim Fast in calories, but lower than the other ones, probably because of the sugar. And so I have not tried this yet, so I'm going to give it a try right now. I've had it in the fridge. It's cooled down. We will give it a taste and see what I think. Price-wise, it's comparable to the rest, so I don't think you get a benefit there. All right, I can work with that. So it does have a similar aftertaste to the Slim Fast. I think it's because they're probably using some form of artificial flavor or stevia or something like that just to get the sweetness up without getting the calories up. So you do taste that a little bit. It's not bad though. I do not like the diet taste in things, and this does not bother me. So it does not have that diety taste that like diet soda does. You don't feel like you're eating something that's too synthetic or anything, or drinking something that's too synthetic. Pretty good chocolate flavor. Yeah, not bad at all. I'm actually really surprised that this only has 1 gram of sugar. If you told me it had 10 or 15, I would have believed you. So, yeah, the flavor's good. The 40 grams of protein's good. So I would put this probably in the second tier just because the taste is a little different. But yeah, for only 220 calories, I bet this is going to be pretty filling because of the protein. So yeah, I would say this is, I can recommend this. This is good stuff. It's meant more for recovery after workouts. I'm using it as more of a meal replacement. I think it's not, I don't know if it's really designed for that so much, but it will work for that. So if you also have tried this, I know it comes in a powder. Let me know in the comments below what you think. The powder I know you use, you feel like you get a good deal on the powder, but I know you throw so much of it in there that it ends up probably costing about the same. So I don't know if you get a very good deal on that. So that is Muscle Milk, and that is another review that I've done for the protein shake. So hope you guys appreciate these, and I'll keep doing them, keep finding stuff and giving it a try. So Muscle Milk, thumbs up. I'll give it a thumbs up. Let's go with, we'll do like an IMDb type rating. I'll say it's a 7.1 out of 10 on IMDb. That doesn't make any sense, I know. I'll see you later. I'll stop talking. Laters on the Menjay.
Laters on the Menjay.